Let's start working with pixels in the simplest way possible by making squares and rectangles. If we make a div element, it will span the width of our web page by default. That's just how div elements work. Take a look at this one, for example. As you can see, my HTML document has a single div element. Moving over to my CSS, we can see that I've given it a blue color and set its value to 100 pixels. It looks like a blue bar, right? It's 100 pixels high because we set it so in CSS. While pixel density and count vary from screen to screen, this 100 pixel height will be the same across computers, phones, and tablets, though it may appear slightly taller or shorter depending on the screen quality of the device you're using. Pixels are kind of like other metrics like millimeters or centimeters or inches. However, unlike the physical world, some screens have more pixels and others have less. Two screens the same size might even have a different number of pixels or a different pixel density. It's worth knowing this, but not worrying about, especially at this stage of your learning. To wrap things up, let's make this blue bar a little more narrow. Add width equal to 200 pixels in your CSS. Save and refresh, and there it is, a more narrow blue bar. You'll become more comfortable with pixels the more that you use them. I encourage you to start looking at your web pages on various devices to understand how size can vary slightly depending on what device you are using.